The emergency alert system has been activated.
Please tune to channel 41 for further information.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued an excess of heat warning for Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lake Shore, Cuyahoga, Joga, Huron, Lake, Lorraine, Medina, Portage, Summit, and Trumbull until 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. The high temperatures are expected to be 98 degrees, producing a heat index of 105. This can be harmful to anyone with a medical condition or the elderly. The National Weather Service requires you to not go outside and stay in an air-conditioned room at all times. If you must go outside, take the following precautions. Do not stay outside for long periods of time, drink plenty of fluids, and use plenty of sunscreen. An excess of heat warning means that prolonged periods of dangerous heat are expected or occurring. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio or other media outlets for further information.